U visa non-immigrant status, or the U visa as it's better known, is a type of immigration relief available to undocumented individuals who have been victims of certain crimes that happened in the United States. In the next few minutes, we'll discuss eligibility requirements and key benefits offered to those who qualify for the U visa. Let's get started. A person must meet the following requirements in order to qualify for a U visa. 1. A person must have been a victim of a qualifying crime. This can include being a survivor of sexual assault, domestic violence, stalking, blackmail, or trafficking, to name a few. 2. A person must demonstrate that they suffered substantial mental or physical abuse because of the crime. 3. A person must have reported the crime to a law enforcement agency. This could include the police department, sheriff department, or child protective services, to name a few. And they must show that they were helpful with the investigation. This could include things like reporting the crime, answering police questions, or helping with any follow-up that might have come from an investigation. The person who will apply for the U visa must have been the victim of the crime. In other words, they were the ones hit, abused, or tormented. A person could also qualify if they have had a family member who was harmed, like a parent of a U.S. citizen child who was harmed and is the victim of one of the qualifying crimes. It is important to get the police report of the incident since it will help determine eligibility. Also, the police will need to certify that the person was in fact the victim of the crime and was helpful in the investigation by completing what is called a B-cert. Those who are eligible to apply for a U visa can include their children, spouses, parents, and siblings, depending on what age they are when they apply. Those under 21 years old will be able to include their spouses, children, parents, and siblings who are under 18 and unmarried. Those who are over 21 years old will be able to include their spouse and children under 21. Those who are found to be eligible for a U visa receive several benefits. For starters, those who successfully submit their U visa application can become eligible for benefits in certain states. In addition to this, those who are found to be eligible during a preliminary screening can qualify for work authorization and protection from deportation. Those who are granted a U visa will become eligible to apply for lawful permanent residence, also known as attaining a green card, after being in U visa status for 3 years. Applicants should also note that there could be a long wait for U visa, and often the wait after submitting an application could be over 10 years since there are only 10,000 visas available each year. Contact an immigration attorney or a DOJ accredited representative if you believe you may be eligible for a U visa. You can find free or low-cost trusted immigration help in your area by visiting the link below. Because there are always risks associated with applying for an immigration benefit, getting trusted and expert legal help will make certain you avoid these risks. Thanks for watching.